Okay, now I don't know if you can see this or not, but with the tip of my stick, you see where there's actually gas. Oh, the wind's blowing here, but there's actually gas coming out of the holes, and so how it's actually working here, let me try to give a decent explanation, is when it burns in the pot, there's a downdraft, and see, I don't know if we can I don't know if you can see that or not, but what it's doing is it's basically pulling down the gases that are burning, and it's actually pulling them down to the bottom through the holes. And what it's doing is it's heating up the air. Well, when it does the gasification and it's turning it, and it's coming up, and it's actually coming through these holes. Now I could just do one hole if I really wanted to, and or I could put a hole in the side of here and a little pipe, and I could actually have the gas and light the gas, and the gas would actually light. This is a basic on you know, in a way it can actually be used and turned into a little miniature wood gas generator stove. So what I'm going to do is try to use this as an example here. Is well, put this down here. I'm gonna stick this brick on. We can get it leveled out. And this one here, I didn't put a lot of stuff in here, but this is the basic idea of how the your pot's gonna sit on there. And I should have put more wood in there, but I didn't, because I'm not really gonna cook on this thing. I just wanted to show you how this all works. So this is what happens when the reason I wanted to show you is down in here, these coals are super hot, and it's nice as oh, by the way, I'm actually using pressure treated lumber that was left over from the project and split down. Another rule of thumb is your portholes, or your gasification holes, or whatever you want to call them. You always want your whatever it is to be underneath it. Now the size of this stove, and once it actually starts to burn, there we go. That's how. You'll notice that white smoke kind of disappears, but obviously with the treated lumber, now I'm gonna have the chemicals that are coming off of it. But shit, I missed. I need to quit looking through the port finder. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off here, and when this gets going again, I'm going to actually go get my bug out bag, and I'm going to pull out of my bug out bag my pot, and we'll actually grab a pot and what I'll do is I'm gonna cook some ramen noodle. And I think I'm feeling adventurous today, so check out video 3 on me using the stove to go ahead and cook. And my ramen noodle, and see what kind of adventurous choice I make and what I'm using. So another reason I don't have this actually tight, sealed really tight. So if you watch occasionally, you'll see I still got maybe some work to do one around the edges here. And because it actually seeps up out here, and it also seeps up out here. Shit happens. Sniff you later, and check out part 3 with me cooking my ramen noodle soup, and show you how this thing works and how you can actually cook a little bit with it. Sniff you later.